Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be making jalapeno poppers to be put on the smoker outside. So I want to just kind of give everybody a little tutorial on how I do it. There's about 4 or 5 different ways that I actually do it, but the one I'm about to show you is my most common one. The first thing I'm going to do is we're going to start off by halving the jalapeños. These are rather small. Normally I try to find a lot larger size jalapenos so you can get more stuffing in them, but you get what you can get right now. After they've been all cut in half, you want to take and core them. I'm wearing gloves for sanitary reasons, but you also want to wear the gloves just because the juice and the seeds from the jalapenos can really burn after a while. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, now that I've gotten all the seeds out of the jalapeno and we've got them all veined out, the next thing to do is take them over the sink and rinse out all the seeds and okay, now we got the jalapenos all seeded and cleaned out and rinsed. We'll just set them aside for right now. Next we're going to take the cream cheese, and what we want to do is to that you're going to add some mozzarella cheese. After the mozzarella cheese, we're going to add our seasoning, which is consists of garlic powder and onion powder. So this cream cheese, like I said, has been softened already, so it's very pliable. And all we're going to do is just mash this up in here like so to blend everything in. And this is your filling for your jalapenos. Okay, after this is all mixed in well, we're going to go back to our gloves and put a new pair of gloves on. And now we have to handle the jalapenos again. What I like to do is I will take and I actually just kind of dry these off a little bit. Paper towel. You can drain them out in your bowl here. And then you dry them on the paper towel to get all the excess water off. Alright, after that we'll kind of set our paper towel to the side with our bowl, and we're going to take our filling and fill all the jalapenos up. Just kind of put an even amount right across the top there. Once that is done, your next step is to wrap it with bacon. So what I like to do is I've already pre-counted out 10 pieces of bacon, and I end up using a whole piece of bacon for a single jalapeno. And the way I do it is I just put it around the top here and just wrap it all the way around. Sometimes you give it a little twist and that tightens up the bacon on the popper. And after that, we tuck them all down just like that. So again, start at the one end, tuck it around, and I just bring it all the way around. I tuck it in on the bottom side there. We just keep going. We just keep doing this until they're all wrapped. All right, there we go. Okay, so what we'll do next is we'll get these all prepped and we'll get them out to the grill. Hey guys, all right, we're back outside now. I've got the jalapeno poppers that we made up inside the house. We're gonna go ahead and get them on the grill now. So we want to put them on the top grate. I like keeping them as far away from the fire as we can to keep them from burning. We're sitting right around 275 degrees right now, so we'll put them on here for about a half an hour or so. Let's take a look. Okay, so we have them on. Like I said, it'll be about a half hour or so at about 275 degrees, and these babies will be done. So can't wait. Oh yeah. All right, welcome back. The poppers are all done. Smell amazing. It just came off that heat, that smoke. So, what do you say we give one a try here? Look at that cheese, all that nice ooey gooey cheese there. Love it. Oh yeah, bacon's cooked nice. Cheese is all gooey. Perfect. There's a little bit of a snap when I bite into the pepper there. Perfect amount of heat, cheese, bacon, salt, just perfect. So sure hope you like this recipe. Feel free to leave us a comment, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and until we see each other again, bon appetit.